Every time I have dinner, the magic to it is it takes you to a different world. That, I think, is the beauty of any of the dining concepts we're trying to do, is taking our guests on a journey. The aspect of giving you a local bite. Locavore means go and eat local.
We love to go outside and buy wine, whiskies, rums, scotches, and we offer this local experience to our guests whilst they sail in that regions.
One day you're down under, or you're in Africa, or you're in Scandinavia, or you're in South America.
We have one of the most unique opportunities to travel all around the globe and pick out and pick up the best ingredients.
Our menus change every day.
It can be meat, it can be poultry, it can be vegetables. Shopping with the chef, we have the luxury, if I may say, to go outside and to buy a worldwide garden.
What I really like about it is freshness. That's what gives the guest the absolute fantastic experience. We are a floating hotel. It's a reflection of a travel. We travel the world and we bring it back on board so our guests can explore all the diversities of flavors.